तेमी जे पास केले डिस्कशन तांकां करपाक नाशिल्लें, ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी तेंगेली आशिल्ली आनीक हें बील नो डावट गोंयकारांक जें बेनिफीट जावपाक जायच पूण क्लॅरिटी सरकारा कडेन ना. होमदाद इज एन ओल्ड इन्स्टिट्यूशन आनीक दे हॅव देअर रायट्स बट सरकाराचो लक्ष आहा. हांवें सुरवातेक पयले दिसा सांगलो ते म्हाजे इज ऑन द लँड ऑफ गोवा. प्रायम लँड पळय हाय. दे आर ओनली alienation of land is the agenda in all the departments. Every department you see a department like captain of ports selling land to Ganpat University. You see at how TCP culture research. I asked the TCP minister what were the cases under various sections. Odd figure 9.5 crores was done during Congress government. Absolutely Congress government at TCP regional plan scrap केल्लो. त्या सरकाराक लोकांक एक क्रोध आसलो परिवर्तनाच्या नांवान मनोहर पर्रीकरान 2012 सरकार केलें. मेन इश्यू वॉज लँड. बट टुडे इफ यू सी दी इश्यूज खास करून अंडर 17(2) अंडर 39A लँड्स बींग कन्वर्टेड लार्ज स्केल अंडर द प्रिटेक्स ऑफ सबज्युडिस. आनीक हिल कटिंग ज्या पद्दतीन गोंयांत जाता about 1,000 odd cases, and the shocking part is that no FIRs are being filed, nothing is taken to a logical end. But this is a very very serious matter. They have said they would come a new mechanism. आज आणि एक bill, public university bill, again without doing homework. बिला amendment जोरी तर घालपाक जाय opposition normally puts amendment हेच घाताय. And we are today playing with the future of our children. Goa University's ranking is going down. Procedure for a college under Goa University goes under tremendous amount of checks, especially check of infrastructure, check of quality, check of labs. पण आज या सरकारान ज्या पद्धतीन प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटीज हाडलेले आसा अंडर दीस गाब, and they can today get their universities, their sheds in any area, absolutely any area. They can operate from a garage also. So private universities are given benefits rather than private universities are given benefits over local institutes. And the standard today, the state of the education is failing. आज निमाणो दीस आनीक ह्या दिसाक आमी जे डिमांड जाय वी विल स्पीक ऑन दॅट अबाउट लॉ लेजिस्लेचर. देर आर सप्लिमेंटरी डिमांड्स ऑल्सो पुट आनीक देर आर प्रायवेट मेंबर्स. दीज प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्युशन्स वी विल हायलायट द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ द NGOs एक्टिविस्ट इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. आनीक तुमकांय हांव सगळ्यांक काळजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा बिकॉज यू ऑल वर दे रायट टील द एंड till early morning and you all give coverage to the ruling and the opposition and to me also. म्हण सगळ्यांक तुमकां काळ जाता. ना व्हेरी क्लियर कट आसा. मिनिस्टरान सांगला अबाउट 9,000 एप्लिकेशन्स थ्रू 16B. There is something known as provisional and full proof. 9,000 applications initially. He has said about I think 25 lakhs or 17 lakhs under 17(2). And 39A he didn't want to give. So my charge was that these lands were being converted in agricultural land, low paddy field areas. This was all the information out, but however he's hesitant to reply.
So you said Karnataka is more confident on Madhe. So what exactly it is?
But definitely you see the way they are moving forward, no? With the way they have their preparations, the way they are first of all Amge DPR itself was given to them. It had to be withdrawn. So they are much ahead of us. That is number one. Number two, they are prepared. They have their forest plans. They've made diversion plans. They have a budget that has already been allocated. So this shows the lack of what the state government in Goa is doing. Basically, it is an understanding that the Home Minister has already told in a public meeting in Belgaum कि Goa and Karnataka there is an understanding and Madhe has been compromised.
बिलाच्या आता आम्ही उरलेला CM has said that only 5,000 or 6,000 non-Goans are getting that bill passed.
based on what is this particular solution. This bill basically Komdar should be given the right तुगे घराको येन हांव हाल तुगे घर मोडपाक प्रयत्न केलो तुका लायक जातोलें कोणा लायक जातोलें रायट कोणालो हू इज द पेरंट दे वॉन्ट टू गेट इन टू एवरीथींग फाल्यां मुगे घरान तुवें आतां रिवेंज काडपा मुगे घरान तुवें हाल्या ना हिंगा एक गुंके भोंवून येवपा जाय ते भाशेन त्या पद्दतीन कोतले सो दीस इज नॉट कॉन्सिडर वी आर 100% श्योर दॅट इन द कोर्ट्स वील थ्रो दीस ऑन द फर्स्ट सेकंड
निदादीन कशें बांदपाक दिलें तांकां इतली घरां?
No. See, this government and the collector, South, was Sandeep Jaki, in 2011. He himself had given an affidavit in the Supreme Court saying that they would demolish this structure. And he was sending notes to the government. Something that I believe is a funny thing. But anyways, I've spoken about it. We will see that I think they're going to challenge it.
युरिबा की जो लीडर आसा ह्या दिसान वोट अवेरनेस करीत आसा
No, correct. वोट अवेअरनेस करूंक जायना रे. वोट अवेअरनेस ज्या पद्दतीन आज डुप्लिकेशन जाता, ज्या बोगस वोटिंग जाता, ज्या EVM फ्लावरिंग शर्ट घालना म्हाका शर्ट बरा EVM मॅनिपुलेशन जाता, सगळें पड जाता, हें सगळें चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता बारीकशें इट इज अ फ्रॉड. By himself has been influenced, and our leader Rahul Gandhi has been saying that right from one की जे पयलें सिस्टम आसलें बॅलटाचें तें हाडपाक जाय. You seen the way it has been manipulated, a clear cut case, but will EC intervene is a big question.